Hola my friends, how are you? I hope you're doing great. So with today's video I wanted to do something different, and I thought since I do nails and I did my nails recently, I wanted to match my eyeshadow to my nails, and I thought that'd be interesting to go through my palettes and try to find the right colors, the ones that are most similar to it, and create a look with it. So if that interests you, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be inspired by. So you see that it has black, blue, glitter, and like a neutral color. I do have a second channel which is all related to nails, and I did this over there. The full tutorial is over there. My nail channel is always linked in the description box in case you're interested. You can see how I did this. But for today, I was searching all my palettes to find that blue. And it was a challenge because I do have a lot of blues, but they were either too green or too dark or too light. But I think I found one that's very similar, and it's by the brand Glam, and the collab they did with Rick and Morty. And I think I'm going to be using this blue, which I think is the most similar out of all the blues that I have. And then from this palette as well, I'm going to use the silver for the glitter part, and it does have this nice transition color right here, which would be perfect for the middle finger. But this one doesn't bring a black, so I had to look for another palette, and I think I'm going to use this one because this one also has a silver that I want to use. This is by Wicked Sisters Cosmetics, and I love this one because it's silver tones and it has a black. I'm going to use that black and maybe one of the little shimmers up here to top it off on top of the silver that I'm going to use from the other palette. So let's get started. Because I think I'm going to start with that shade first, which is like a very light tan, just as like a little transition color. It's very close to my skin tone, so I don't know if you'll be able to see it. And I thought this is gonna be fun because sometimes, you know how sometimes you don't know what look to create or to get inspired and to use the eyeshadows you already have in your collection. I think this is a great idea, whether it's you're matching your makeup to your clothes, your shirt, your earrings. On Instagram I've done a couple of reels of matching my makeup to my earrings, and I actually did one of this earring right here that's up over there. In case you're interested in that, the link to my Instagram is in the description box as well. And it's fun because you get to play with your own makeup, the makeup you have. Sometimes it just stays in the back of the drawer and not be used, and it's fun to take it out and use it again and play with it. Now I'm going to use that blue, gorgeous blue. I do have a full review and tutorial of this palette on my channel, and I think I did 2 looks with it. In case you're interested, let me know if you own this one. These are great, by the way, these eyeshadows. You just have to pack it on. It's better when you pack it on, which is okay by me as long as I get the payoff at the end. So I think I'm going to put this all over my crease and a little bit above my crease because I have hooded eyes and I want to be able to see the color. Now I'm jumping into this one, which I haven't used this palette in a long time, and I'm glad that I took it out to use it. I'm going to take the black in this shade. This black does have a little bit of shimmer, but once you blend it out you don't see it, so I consider it a matte. I'm going to build this up here in the outer corner, tap off the excess because I don't want any fallout. I already did my base. Okay, actually I'm going to be using this one. It's from the Lanchi. It's a highlighter, but you can also use it as eyeshadow. I will be putting this one on top of the silver. But first I'm gonna prime my lids with the NYX glitter primer, and I'll be this silver, and I love this one. I've used it before. It's very sparkly. And then I'm gonna dabble into this one and just pack it on a little bit. Oh, that is so sparkly. This is so pretty. Now I'm gonna take that blue again, put it in the lower lash line. Especially here in the front part. And now the black. Just halfway, not all the way. And connect it up here. I'm gonna use this mascara by L'Oreal. This is the Lash Paradise. And I'm gonna pop in some lashes. Poppy and Ivy. I love these ones. They're more on the natural side. And I'll be right back. I also added the ColourPop gel liner. This is in shade Crystal Crush. Love that one. And this is the final look. I love that glitter. The combination of both is gorgeous. So here we go. I'm loving it. What do you think? Let me know if you thought this was a good idea, and I will see you in the next video. Hopefully I see other people doing it as well. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out and hit the like button because that helps me out a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.